G'day folks, John here. Today I'm going to show you my version of Pruning Roses. Not everybody else's version, but this is mine. Now I've got, I suppose I've got some experience. I work on a rose farm part-time. I cut the roses for him and do the spraying, etc, etc. And I prune them once a year. There's about 700 thereabouts. So I can't be too particular when I'm pruning them. I'll show you a couple of the way I do it. And this year he decided he didn't want too much. He didn't want to cut back too far because we had a bit of a growth problem this year. We probably only had the third of the growth we normally have, mainly because we had a pH problem. Anyway, it's fairly productive. I guess for 5 months of the year we average about 1,500 single stem roses a week, thereabouts. That's okay. We're in the subtropics here, Australia, northeastern New South Wales, so it can get very humid. So our main problems here are pests and fungal diseases, but we get quite a lot of growth. In fact, now we're in the middle of winter, we're still getting plenty of flowers. There's a bit of a flush on fairy tale queens and that particular type. They've got a big flush on at the moment, but we've got to prune them back at some time, otherwise they just get enormous. You wouldn't be able to move amongst them to cut them during the summer months. So we cut them back now. So they some of the roses quite like it. I'll show you in a minute, but some have got quite a lot of new growth on them. Yeah, so I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you how I cut a few. When I first started pruning roses a few years ago now, I googled it, of course, and there seemed to be some sort of mystique to pruning them. You know, talking about pruning the outward facing buds, blah blah blah. Look, basically you could cut them back with a chainsaw and they come back fine, you know. So when you're doing as many as I'm doing, you've got to be fast. Try and get rid of the dead wood, any inward growing wood, spindly stuff, you know, and just leave some nice canes. So we'll just do a couple and I'll get to show you. So we'll just clear a bit of a space first. Dead wood, see a bit of dead wood there, just chop them off there. There's still a bit of dead, I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you there, see the piece of that brown spot in the middle, right? That's diseased wood, we don't want that. So try and prune it back past that if you can. You know, sometimes you've got to take off a bit more than you really want, but so be it. Count up the any dead bits like that. Any bits growing right up in the middle, inside, don't want those. Take them out. Okay, so we just chop him there. Space there. I'll take him off a bit. Probably take him down here. I'll just try and pile it up as I go. Makes it easy when I put it on the tractor to take away. Just take that off below there. A bit of dead wood there. Again, there's a bit more dead wood. I might just leave that though. It's quite a nice cane there. Sharp secateurs is a must. Gonna have sharp secateurs. Sharp tools. Okay. Dead piece here. Take him out. Again. There's a bit of dead wood there, diseased wood. We'll just take him off. He's dead. Take him out. I don't want him drying up the middle there. We'll just take him off. Okay. There. A bit of dead wood there, so you can see that. It's pointless leaving that there because I'm telling you, it won't grow. Next year it might start to grow and it'll just die off. With that bit there, so it's nice and clean, that's good. Off there, he's got a bit of disease in the middle there, just take him off to there. And that I wear shorts and short sleeve shirt when I'm cutting, mainly because it's even though middle of winter, it's still about 23 degrees, so it's still quite warm, you know. I put on long pants and long sleeve shirt when I'm loading it up so I don't get too scratched. Okay, we're going to do a couple more here. Actually, I did a few more, but the camera dropped a bit low and you got some good shots of my legs, and that was about it really. So we'll do a couple more just to give you a bit more of a go at it. Okay, here's one here. I'll just cut him out. That bit there, a bit dead. We'll take him out there. Good. That's a nice cane there. We'll keep him in. Dead bit there. We might keep him. We'll see. Spindly bit else. Okay. On there, we'll cut it right off. Even there, still a bit of disease wood there. Just a bit more off. That's good. Okay. This bit here, below that disease wood. Keep that one there. We'll cut that one off about there. Yep, good. Fall on my head. Yeah, as you can see, there's a fair bit of growth. I'd say it's probably about a third less than we normally have, I reckon, this year. Anyway, there's still plenty there. Okay. Now that. Dead stuff there, I'll take him out. Dead bit there, I'll take him out the middle. Okay, now this bit here is dead, so we'll just chop him right off there. I'm not really happy with that bit, so there's a bit of disease in the middle of that other cane. That's better. Look good now. Okay, here we go. There we go. Now you see there, see the disease wood there? Don't want that. So she'll have to come back. I was going to leave that there like that, but you can't really, so right off. Still a bit of disease wood there, off again. Okay, looks, that's better. Right, clean. Don't usually have to take it back that far. Same with this one, you can see the disease wood there. Take it off till you get some clean wood. And I know that's going to be diseased. So this is what happens, you get, this is probably a good example of last year. Might have been a disease. It grows so far and that's it, she'll just die. Yeah, move the dip in there. Clean that right off we can. There you go. Okay, just look him over where you're finished. A little bit of disease wood there, should be a bit of disease wood, and that's going to take that right off to the bottom. That's dead. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, can't be too fussy. Next one. And this one coming up right on the camera, hasn't dropped too far. Alright, this here, there's going to be dead wood here, I know this. See that in the middle there? We don't want that, that's hopeless. This cane here will probably grow, but it won't grow well. Take it right back, you get clean wood, like that. Okay, it's dead in the middle. Off. Off. Dead. Don't want that bit growing up in the middle and across everything else. Take him out. Dead wood there. Take him out. Yeah, take him off there. Well, take him right back there. Looking good, see the dead wood there. Take him back. Clean wood, yep, that's good. There, clean wood, yep, that's good. I'll leave that cane there, we'll see. Cane up the middle, nice cane, we'll leave him there. I'll leave him there. Cut those off. A bit of ivy growing up there. How are we looking now? Don't really want that one there. We'll just leave him there. Yeah, it's a dead bit here. I know it's going to be dead wood all the way back, so I'm going to chop him right off. So we get nice clean wood there, okay? Right, that's a nice cane there. I'll leave him in. And Okay. I'll just have another look at him. A couple of dead bits here, dead bits in the middle there. I'll just take him out. Bits, don't really want that bit there. Take him out of there. Oh. Him off there. Okay, next customer. This one. That's good. Dead. A dead one. This one. Take him right off. Pretty hard to cut some of this deadwood when it gets really dead like that. Probably do it with a little saw, but again, you know, just haven't got the time. This bit's dead. Take him right back. Okay, what are we going to have here? That, we don't want all those little bits. No good to anybody. Take him off there. Take him off there. Clean wood. Yep, clean wood. He's good. Take him back. I'll leave him there. Take that off. Take that off. In the middle out there. Done. Next customer. Okay, deadwood here. Bit of deadwood in that too. Disease wood there. Take it back to the clean. I think it's better. Right. Let's grow it inside. We don't really want that there either. Take him right down. There we are. Take him right off. Okay. It's a nice crane. He's growing across the other one, but might leave him. We'll see. We'll have a look in a minute. That's dead. All the way back. See this piece? This piece is dead, and for sure, if I cut back in there, it'll be disease wood in there. So better off just chopping him right out. There. Same with this one. I'll take it off there just to show you. Actually, that's pretty good, so we'll just leave that there. That's a dead bit there. Yep. That's dead. Take him back there. No idea, it's going to be, yeah, it's starting to dry out that limb there, that cane there. Anyway, probably took a bit more off him than I thought we would, but there was a lot of wood there. Wasn't particularly good, you know. You look at that. See, it's all diseased in there. Hopefully have a better year this year growth wise and all come good. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed that. See up here, these are perfume passion. These are particular type of roses. You can see the new growth on them. They're doing quite well. It almost seems a shame to, there's heaps of buds on them. Almost a shame to prune them back, but there you go. We've got to do it. Got to do it at some time. As you can imagine, another 6 months of growth. I wouldn't even be able to walk through those to cut the roses. But as you can see, yeah, still, I suppose you call that spring growth in a lot of places. Okay, hope you enjoyed that.